Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and increase Yahoo Mail font size. So first you want to access settings on your Yahoo Mail. So open up Yahoo Mail and then come here at the bottom left. You will see these three dots. So we'll click on this for more options. And right here you'll see settings. So I want you to go ahead and click on this. Okay, so open up your settings in a new tab. And then all you need to do is click on this option, writing email. Okay, so if I come down here, we'll see the option to change our font size. So here it is medium currently. This is a preview. So I can make this large, extra large, huge as well, or I can change that. And then once you're done, you just go back to your Yahoo Mail. Just go ahead and refresh right there, right? And then you can see here everything will be in a larger font size. See? Really that easy and simple.